Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing epic mini games.
Hi.
And I just died. There's a mega dragon trying to kill us.
You said
oh my god.
So fast.
No, seriously, that game is fast paced. Like I'm freaking out. Like you have to go super fast in that game. And I was like trying to get everything set up and stuff in the meantime. Anyways, yeah, I'm joined by my sister. We're playing epic mini games. Yeah. Mystery Phantom Sound. Oh well.
Okay. So.
Yeah.
I hate this music. Why is there?
Because it's an intense game.
Oh, okay.
It's an intense game. Intense games night. Intense music.
I don't know why I got a star.
Come downstairs with me.
Wait, what? Ooh, higher pit.
No, I'm gonna die more.
Why?
Because I'm bad at every single game.
Oh, jeez. Good for you. I'm in a cave.
Congrats.
Oh! How do you play this? Where am I?
Oh, this guy switches the lever between where it goes.
How do you play?
Well, you have to not touch the laser.
How do I jump over it?
No, you can't. I don't think so, no.
Then what do you do?
You just run.
Oh, jeez, okay. He's not doing anything. I think he's AFK.
Yeah, he's supposed to control the spinner.
This is boring.
I got a taco.
He's working it.
Oh! Oh my god.
This dude's doesn't really know how to work.
Yeah,
it.
He's like,
but
like everybody in my corner is like gone.
Oh, why are we screaming so loud? Oh, gee, ow!
Are you frozen?
We're allowed to jump over that. Jeez.
Oh my god!
That's hard.
I almost fell off the edge. Legit.
Wait, do you have a pet?
No.
I want a pet. These people have these pets.
Yeah, they're expensive. They're not cheap.
I want a pet. Oh, black hole scramble.
Oh no!
Is this like an obby?
No, you have to keep them. Yeah, like you have to jump to asteroid before the black hole gets you.
Oh no, I hate this. I know what that is.
Oh god.
Where's the black hole?
It'll start in 4 seconds.
No! I fell! Wow.
I'm good.
Oh jeez, the black hole is serious. I'm watching you.
I'm getting sucked. I had to survive for 32 seconds. What?
I fell off.
Please help me.
You're not close.
I don't want to die.
You're not close to
I
it.
don't want to die. I don't care if I'm close or not.
Wait, why are trees getting sucked in? Wait, you were the last person.
Yep.
And then you died.
Oh, that was hard. Oh no!
I hate this.
No!
I'm so bad at this.
No! Please kill me! I hate this one.
You have to get water and all that stuff.
No! I always die first, like in this one.
I don't.
Looks like I never find water.
I can. Where's Bloxicola?
Where's the Bloxicola? Oh! Bloxicola! No! Ah! Got it!
Bloxicola! Where's the Bloxicola? I need Bloxicola!
Bloxicola!
Where's some blocks, cola?
I'm
I'm
drinking.
tired.
I'm really good. Whew. Someone just died.
I need some Bloxy Cola.
Oh, Bloxy Cola. Nice one. Oh my god. That's the first one I've ever won of that. Oh my god. Oh.
That Bloxy Cola.
Jeez.
I thought the Starbucks would work, but nah, I need Bloxy Cola. Wait, what if we're robbed okay delivery?
Oh no.
What if you actually buy Bloxy Cola and you have it like?
I don't think it works.
Yeah, probably.
Pro servers reach to 24-hour purchase. I don't want a pro
How do you
server.
play that? Oh, you have to bring it to the correct door. Wait, how do you know what door to get to?
34.
That's 5. If you see 5, I'll help me. I'll tell you if I see 34.
I found it. Yeah, I won.
Where's 5?
I won.
I don't see 5!
I won.
Where's 5?
Lol. I think you just passed.
No!
Haha, I won.
You won.
The master minigame, boy.
What are you playing? Just jump. What is this? Oh, is this?
Oh, it's a jump roping.
Oh, I love jump roping. In real life, I probably suck.
This one, no, this one's bad. It goes fast.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh.
What do you do?
Just jump whenever they say so.
So we don't have to move or anything, right?
No.
We just jump.
I died.
I didn't.
Uh.
Are you spectating me?
No.
Spectating me?
I am. You're bad.
No, I'm not. I haven't died. You died. Haha.
Have you taken any damage?
Yes, 1 damage.
Jump where everybody else jumps.
I'm before everybody.
Exactly.
Oh
You died.
no! Oh, they made it.
2 people made it.
At least I didn't die. At least, I mean, I
You
did
did.
die.
You
At
did
least
die.
You died before me. This person has a Godzilla backpack.
Do you want to go to a pro server?
How do we go?
You have to be level 24.
I'm only level
Toxic
4.
reactions.
I'm level 4, Christopher.
I'm a level 5. Ha!
Okay. Ooh, how do you play this? I want the. I got this.
Oh. Oh, you almost died.
I feel like it's gonna be. Never mind.
Oh my god.
I was like, GG.
Oh god. Oh no!
I'm level 5.
Yay! I won.
I made it. And now I'm level 5.
Oh, that's sad. You're finally at that level 5.
Yeah. So good.
One eagle observation.
Ooh, I'm in a pool. How do you play this one? How do you play this? Ooh, there's Black Cola.
Flexicola!
You can sing it loud. Ooh.
Uh-oh, so what do we do?
IDK.
Wait, oh, control the platforms. I had to go on the right platform. Like, just to dodge.
I don't get it.
Yeah, I had to not touch the lava. Oh! Jimmy! Jimmy!
Why are you Jimmy? You're like,
I don't know.
Jimmy!
Oh.
I like it. Jimmy!
This is not good. I don't like this.
Jimmy! Jimmy! Oh, Jimmy! I'm spectating you.
Help me!
So many people died.
Yay!
Good job.
Oh my god, that's hard. That's hard. That's hard.
That's scary.
It's scary and hard.
Jimmy! Destroy a statue. Are there two different teams?
Oh, this is a fun one.
There are two different teams.
Yeah, you have to launch stuff to destroy.
I want to be
them.
in Team Blue. Blue's my favorite color.
I'm red.
I'm blue. Yeah.
I have to destroy this tower.
How do I do it? I don't get how to play. What do we do? I have to hit the blue tower. You have to kill the tower. You gotta kill the blue tower. Wait, how do we? We attack our tower?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Why don't we want our tower to live?
Well, no, supposedly you're the red team and I'm
You
the
guys
blue
have
team.
more teams than us.
Well, yeah, but yeah, some people aren't even working on our team.
Oh yeah!
You guys won because our team wasn't working.
Even though you guys have more people.
Hey Lydia, do you have a trail?
Yes.
What's your trail?
Music.
Same.
Music.
Crumble Island. No!
What's this?
The islands will slowly crumble. Oh, current island. Never mind. Not crumble.
It says Crumble Island.
Oh, crumble? Oh. So yeah, the islands will crumble. I guess.
How do you play? Someone just jumped off the edge. Jeez. How do you know if it's gonna crumble?
I think it's gonna show you.
Woo! Okay,
nope,
never mind. Oh jeez,
I
fell off.
Oh god.
Please help me.
Anything can break apart.
I don't want to die.
Oh no! No! I died. Oh god. You're still alive?
Yes.
Well, that's surprising.
Help me! Help me! I'm stuck on this island.
Not surprising that you're alive.
Hey, no, it's not.
Woo! Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. Oh jeez.
Yep.
I'm dying.
Yep.
I'm dying.
Bye
Oh yes,
bye.
I'm stuck on this one little island. I'm stuck on this one little island.
Yeah, 4, 3, 2, 1. You.
Yeah!
Yay! Well, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, woo.
Okay.
Good.
Bye.